Hello friends, this is the Comvots channel. Today we will analyze a very important topic. We will figure out how to trade binary options correctly using the bullish engulfing pattern on a real trade that you are currently seeing on your screens. This method will help you see opportunities where others see only randomness. Let's start. Here, look at the bullish pattern. Engulfing itself signals a potential market reversal in favor of buyers, hence the name bullish engulfing. It's especially important when it is formed not just anywhere, but say at a psychological value level, such as 100, 200, 300, 500. This is considered a key moment for us, and it's where we need to look for an entry point for confirmation. For validation, I always use a golden cross, which is when a 3-period moving average intersects a 9-period exponential moving average. In addition, I always keep an eye on the indicator MCDI, that is, it needs to transition from the below zero zone to the above zero zone, indicating growing interest in buying. Also, don't forget about the stochastic, which must show crossing lines in the support zone, very important, specifically in the support zone, validating our forecast. These indicators together give us the green light to open a trade. We enter a trade for 3 candles. Only when we see all signals conform to 1, only then is it time to act. We open a trade for 3 candlesticks. I always go for 3 candles, meaning if I'm on a 3-minute, then it's 9 minutes on a minute, for 3 minutes on 30 minutes, an hour and a half, and so on, so on. This is the process, step by step. We personally analyze and make reasoned decisions utilizing a bullish engulfing pattern. This is just one of all existing patterns. There's a lot of them. The most important thing, remember, that trading first and foremost requires patience. Second, discipline. Without these, there will be no breakthroughs forward, no steps. It's a straight commandment. The foundation, so success comes with experience and knowledge anyways, and continue studying and practicing. Good luck to everybody in the market.